You've been sleeping your whole life, and your brain is still broken, still anxious, still foggy, still forgetting things, still waking up tired 8 hours. Here's what nobody told you. It's not how long you sleep. It's what you do before, during, and right after sleep that either repairs your brain or slowly destroys it. And habit number 4 on this list, most people are doing the complete opposite, and it's costing them years of mental clarity. Stay until the end, because once you understand how your brain actually heals at night, you'll never treat sleep the same way again. Habit 1. Stop looking at bright light 90 minutes before bed. Not just your phone, any artificial light. Here's why this matters more than you think. Your brain has a tiny region called the suprachiasmatic nucleus. It controls your entire sleep-wake cycle, and it's blind to the difference between sunlight and your screen. When light hits your eyes at night, it tells your brain it's still daytime. Stay alert. Melatonin drops, cortisol rises, and your brain never enters deep repair mode. One study from Harvard found that just 2 hours of evening screen exposure delays your sleep cycle by 3 full hours. You sleep, but your brain doesn't heal. Switch to dim, warm light 90 minutes before bed. And what you do in those 90 minutes, that's where habit 2 comes in. Habit 2. Write down every unfinished thought before you sleep. Not a journal, not a diary, just a brain dump. Everything your mind is carrying. Tasks, worries, random thoughts, whatever is open in your head. Psychologists call this cognitive offloading, and it works because your brain cannot enter deep sleep while it's actively trying to remember things. It stays in a low-level alert state all night. The moment you write things down, your brain gets permission to let go. Zygotic effect, the same psychological principle that makes you remember unfinished tasks, works